This project focuses on designing and building a full-scale, cost-effective floating structure showcasing sustainable marine architecture. It aims to generate renewable energy from waves and solar power, protect marine ecosystems, and cultivate algae to produce oxygen, sequester carbon, and create biodegradable products like plastics. Initially functioning as an algae farm, the structure has the potential to evolve into multifunctional floating communities for living, research, and recreation. By utilizing clean energy systems, freshwater production, and closed-loop resource management, it represents a sustainable, self-sufficient model of human-ocean coexistence.